Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup box.com folders for business compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your box.com folders, log into your Box account using your business credentials. Navigate to the folder you wish to back up. Once inside the folder, review its contents to ensure everything needed is included. To download the entire folder, look for the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the download option from the menu. Box will begin zipping the folder for download. This process may take some time, depending on the size of the folder and the number of files. Once the folder is zipped, your browser will prompt you to save the file to your local device. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the downloaded file. After confirming the download, check the status in your browser's download manager. Once the download completes, navigate to the location where you saved the zipped folder. Right-click on the zipped folder and select Extract All to decompress its contents. Choose a destination for the extracted files, ideally in a designated backup folder. Open the new folder to verify that all the files and subfolders are present. Repeat this process for any additional folders you wish to back up. If you have large amounts of data, consider using a backup software tool that integrates with box.com. Such tools can automate the backup process and ensure compliance with your business requirements. Make sure to establish a regular schedule for backups to maintain data integrity. As a final step, implement security measures for your backed up data. Using encryption and secure storage methods will help ensure compliance and data protection. Regularly review and update your backup strategy as business needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.